Hello, it's Anna coming to you again tonight for my 30-day manifesting blitz. And tonight I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered who you truly are, and have you ever wondered why it's so important to know that? Now this, itchy nose, this is one of my passions. So for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Anna and I am a manifesting mindset coach, and I help entrepreneurial women get over or release the limiting beliefs that are holding them back, and to understand, or help them to understand how the law of attraction works and give them the tools and the skills to make things happen for them. So let's talk about who you are. This is probably I am the most passionate about this thing, because understanding who you truly are is going to shift your energy, shift your awareness, shift your consciousness, and shift your belief in yourself. So I've been reading a lot of, I've been studying this kind of information for probably about 15 years. I had an experience, 15, 20 years ago, which showed me the truth about reality. So you can check that out at the pinned post on my Journey to Joy fan page if you want to check out what it is, but I'm not going to share it here. So that was when I had a glimpse of reality, of the truth about who we are. And then through that experience, I lost all sense of fear. I lost all sense of judgment. I lost all sense of doubt. And I gained a sense of truth and sense of honesty, not honesty, truth, and about our reality. And it was the most incredible experience of my life. And ever since then, I've been trying to find that, refine that experience. Thanks to the hearts, I've been trying to find that experience again. And I've been reading lots of literature and going to lots of seminars, courses, classes, you name it, to try and figure out or try and attain that feeling again, that what I experienced 15, 20 years ago. So let's talk about who you are, okay? Who you truly are. Now, if you've heard of the text A Course in Miracles, this is what Marianne Williamson teaches, and Gabby Bernstein, she's also a teacher of the Course in Miracles. And here's my book, I'll show you my book. It's probably one of the most incredible texts I've ever come across, and I highlight all over the place anything that really stands out. But the Course in Miracles teaches you that you are in this world, but you are not of it. So how is this relevant to manifesting? So you are energy having a human experience. You are cosmic, as Deepak Chopra says, cosmic consciousness assuming individual form. So that means that you were born with an innate power. You are creative. You are a creative force in the world. Now, when I look around, I am blown away by the things that we have in our world. I'm blown away by the fact that I'm here on this live and you're watching me from who knows where in the world by this technology. Everything that is on the planet, everything that you see that is created by man was first a thought. But that's the same thing as with the universe. The universe was first a thought. Everything has to be first a thought or an intention in order to be able to manifest, in order to be able to be created. And of the flesh, we can't create. The flesh is not creative. Thought and mind and energy are creative. So I want you to think about that in terms of, okay, so if I'm trying to manifest things, you manifest them through energy, you manifest them through thought. Okay, so, and energy is what animates the flesh. Energy is what animates your body. Energy is what gives the body life. Now, when you tap into the energy field, or when you center yourself and when you become still, this is really important. When you become still, that's when you tap into the source of your creation. That's where you tap into the source of the energy of where you can start to then create things. So it's just a short video tonight, because that's what I really want to hone in on you, that who you truly are matters with you remembering who you truly are. You are a source of inspiration. You are a source of universal inspiration. You have within you the capability and the ability to manifest anything that you desire, simply by becoming one with that thing that you desire, by embodying it in energy, in consciousness, in thought and belief. And that's how you manifest things. That's how you draw things to you, because you are a creative machine. We look at, when we see things as separate from us, so for example, most people, it's money that seems to be affecting most people. But when you see money as a thing that's out there, when you see abundance as a thing out there, you're separating yourself from it. You're cutting off the supply, the lifeline of it coming to you. So remember that you are, hey Bernice, remember that you are a creative force. You can be, do, and have anything. And it's people, it kind of sounds cliche, and a lot of people say that you can be, do, and have anything, but you truly can. But when you think about it, you come from the perspective of you being a creative being, of you being a force of energy, of you being one with the universe, of you being an extension of the universe, instead of you being separate, this little entity, this little entity of me separate from everything else. Okay, so when you shift your perspective, when you understand who you truly are, that you are a being of light, that you can have anything that you desire, you can shift your perspective from a place of disempowerment to a place of empowerment. So look at things from that perspective. Look at things from the perspective of, I am a creator, I am a being of light, I am a gift from the universe. I am perfect, whole, and complete. That's an affirmation that you can say to yourself as well. Because you need to shift your perspective of being the individual who's alone in the world to being the spirit that's connected to everything. And everything that you desire is out there. And what you desire desires you back. What you want wants you. You shift your perspective from an energy perspective projecting out there, and being one with it and understanding your power, and then you let it come to you. Things will show up in your world. That's when you start to you start to see synchronicities, you start to see signs. Like I'm seeing a lot of double ones or triple ones or things like that lately. It's crazy. Watch for those little synchronicities, watch for those signs, and it's kind of like that. Remember that X-Files? I think it was it X-Files, that theme? It's really magical, where you live in a magical universe. You live in a universe of love and light and oneness and connection and all of those things. And when you don't feel that, when you're feeling frustrated, when you're feeling stressed, when you're feeling fearful, when you're feeling alone, you're cutting yourself off from that supply. So shift your perspective into who you truly are, because it really matters. Because you are a creative being and you can be, do, and have anything. So I also, if you want to jump on a call with me, I do 30-minute manifesting mastery calls to help you understand what's holding you back. And I'm also going to post my link down below. Come and join us in the group. I do free trainings and give lots of insights over there to manifesting the life you desire. So I'll put the links below. Comment interested if you want to jump on a call with me, a free call, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye for now.